people, it is SkyOnTrack here. Welcome back to another part of Little Kitty Big City. And in the last part, we started trying to find these little ducklings. And in this part, we're going to find the other two ducklings. And I think I figured out on how to try to get in there. So there's a thing, here's a thing that's over here that we need to get to. I don't know why, but ever since I opened up the game, I've been moving more slow for some reason, like the game's like glitching or something. So there's some ivy that's over here. Oh crud, I'm out of energy! Okay, I'm good. Woo! And now we just knock that over. Okay. Oh crud! Oh crud! Okay, this is not good. So I found a way in here. There we go! Something's over here. There's a fan that's over here. Well, let's see what's down here. Out. I think this might be where yeah, I think I found it. There he is! He's at the dryer! Hold on, I want to see what's in here first. Okay, what's right here? Oh, it's a napping spot. But first, let's see what let's talk to the duckling that's like in the dryer here. Hello in there! Your dad sent me to fetch you for show and tell. But my ride hasn't finished! I can't get out while it's still going! How long does it have left? I don't know! I fed it 400 shinies! How long does that get me? Wait, where did you find that many shinies? According to the sign, it seems to be 60 hours. That can't be right, is it? Can it? 60 hours? That's amazing! But what about your dad? You can take me back to Dad as soon as the door pops open. You promise? I promise! There must be a way to get that door open without waiting. What was that? Nothing. Just talking to myself. See you after the ride. Okay, so now we gotta figure out how to get the thing to stop moving. Hey, there's another cat here. I bet you're wondering how to push that button, huh? You read my mind. It's pretty easy. You just have to use your head. And by use your head, I mean RB run head first to the button. Okay, then what? Then nothing. You just bonk the button with your head and that's it. Won't that hurt? You made a stronger stuff than that, kitty. A little bonk on the noggin won't harm a tough cat like you. Are you sure? Certain. Just RB run head first forward the button. It won't press itself after all. Okay, so it's like, okay. So we gotta press our head at the button. Okay. Okay, so hold on, let me resize jump up here. Okay, so hold on, I'm trying to get up here. Let's see if I can do it from here. Ow! They're flying down! Hold on. Where's this button? Oh, right there! I see it. Okay. So now... Ow! I missed miserably. Hey, wow, why is there a bird in here? Okay. Yeah! It stopped! Did you see me in there? I was tumbling everywhere! I did. Aren't you a bit dizzy now? Nope, but I am very warm and fluffy. This must be what it's like to be a towel. Anyways, I can't wait to tell Dad about all the death-defying dryer machines. Shall we go find them then? Yep, let's go! Alright, so we got that duckling. Now we need to find the last duckling. But first, let's get out of here. So the last duck is over here. Okay, so hold on. Bro, this thing's been glitching for a while. Okay. There's a shiny over here, so we're gonna go grab that real quick. Oh, whoops, I just dropped. Well, let that plant fall. It's fine. Alrighty, let's get out. Now, we just need to go. So the last duck is this way. Let's continue running. Okay. Let me see if I'm going the right. Oh! Oh, it's this way actually. Never mind. I was looking at the other ducks. Well, let's try that again. Okay. Hold on. I am going to try this again. I want to see what's over here. Come on, the duck's got to be over here somewhere. Where is that little duck? Can I do something? Wait. What? Oh my gosh, that wasn't what I wanted. I think I'm starting to get a little bit of drift, stick drift on this controller. That's probably why it's acting all weird. Oh, okay, well, that doesn't work. I'm trying to get over there somehow. Ah. Okay, well, here we go. I'm trying to see. Come on. Like, where did the duck be? I don't understand. Wait, can I just jump up here? What the duck's gotta be up here somewhere. Because it said in the map it was right here. Can I zoom in? No, I can't. Let me take a closer look. Maybe it's the building that's in front of you. Is it? Let's take a look. It's in between the market and something else. We have to figure out a way on how to get back there. Let me see if there's any way. Ah! Oh, it wants pets. Hang on. Where I want to know. So I want to. Okay, never mind. She walked off. Okay. Wait a minute. Did I just see it flying over? Hold on. Let me see if getting on the cash register does anything. Wait, I think I figured this out. Okay, I think I figured this out. However, there's the first jar that, these jars are the ones that the mayor wants us to knock down. Wait. Okay. So, what if we just try to... Me just trying to figure out this part. Ah! Ah! Man, it's been 15 15 minutes, I still haven't done anything. Ow! I didn't know there was water right there. Okay. Just trying to figure this out. Okay. Oh, crud, what was that? Okay. Maybe we can try this again. You drop down. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to figure out how to get over to that one area. And I could always try to do it off screen. Hey, look, there's something like... Wait, no, that's a window. Unless we could try to go on this little plant. Wait a minute, there's something over here. Can we try to fall on through it? No. Oh, oops. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I was trying to nuzzle her. Oh, no. Something that's over here, though. I think we were over here previously. You know, y'all, I'll be right back. I'm going to go try to figure this out off screen. Okay, so I think I know what I should do. Maybe if I knock over the jars like the mayor is it had asked me to do in a previous part, maybe the lady over here will open the door that's over here. Because I was looking over to that one spot where it was telling me where the duck was, and there's a door that's open right there. So I think that's what we needed to do. Time to... Oh, crud. Hi! Hi! No, this is kind of awkward. This is kind of awkward. Hi! Okay, we're good. We're good. So if we knock over these jars like the... Oh, there's one. Oh, now the lady's mad. Sorry, lady. Let's get the other ones. No! Ah! Oh no! No! It doesn't want me in there! And stay out! I got kicked out for knocking over a jar! No! I got kicked out! That's what I was supposed to do! Oh dear. Okay. No! The lady's back! I gotta sneak back in here. I knocked that one down. And then over here. Crud! This stick drift! I don't know why where did this stick drift come from? Okay. Okay. Get it run out of the store because... Ah! Oh no, I'm making footprints! The lady's mad again. We got ourselves kicked out of a store. Oh, the door's open now. Hey, it's working! It's working! Oh. That lady's watching me for real. I just gotta do one more thing. I just gotta do one more. I just gotta do one more. Let me talk to the mayor now. Perfect. The mayor can now slumber. Before you go, Your Grace, you said you could help. Meow. Yes, the mayor will now dispense valuable assistance. Thank you for helping me. I will teach you the official way to respond to jam jars. Wait, what? Or anything else that is terrible. Voila! Oh! This is my yuck face. Yuck! You may now express disgust at any moment. This wasn't quite what... Wow, the mayor has no need for your gratitude, little deputy. Oh, sorry. Yes, thank you or not thank you. And now the mayor must rest. So sleepy, so unable to hear further requests for help. But now we can actually go in here. I was right. Okay, what is going on? Oh. Okay, now we can go in here. Oh my gosh. That took forever. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Ah! Oh my gosh, you can get scared by cucumbers? Oh my god. Oh yeah. Now I see. Okay. So now there's a thing that's over here. Hold on. Ah! Okay, I want this capsule! Okay, at this point I'm just wall something now. Okay. Look at this! What did I get? Oh, it's a banana house. For when I need to make like a banana and split. Okay, be careful of the cucumber. Oh, that's over here. Okay. So I think we're getting close to where this next duck should be. Okay, so I think we're getting close. The duck is like right here. I think. Is it? Yeah, the duck is right here, I think. Hold on. I need to see where this duck could be. So it says it's right here. Would it be on the rooftop or something? I don't know where the duck is. Ah! Water! Okay. Maybe it is on the rooftop. Let's go take a look. Is there a room that's all the way over here? No. Careful of the cucumber. I'm trying to figure out and see if this is where the duck is. Let me see if it is on the rooftop. Ah! I almost missed. Oh, crud. Okay. Up here. And then... Time to cancel. No! I had to... I hate parkouring. I'm not good at it. Okay. We're gonna try this again. Okay, I don't know what is going on, but I feel like I'm getting stick drift. I've been moving at some weird, like that. Yeah, that's not me that's moving like that. Okay. the top. No, that's not where I want to go. No. No. No! Gosh! No! I keep falling down. Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I finally made it. There's the duck! Oh my gosh! Hello up there! Hi! Are you here to see me fly? I'm super great at it. You are, but that isn't why I'm here. Your dad asked me to find you and bring you back to the pond. Is it time for show and tell already? It is. Okay, but is there a problem? Not a problem exactly. It's just I don't quite know how I started flying. So I also don't quite know to stop flying. I see. So unfortunately, I just will have to stay up here. Whee! Leave it with me. I'll have you down shortly. Okay, but not too shortly if you don't mind. Oh my gosh, it took so long. So there must be a way to turn that off. There's a shiny that's over here. I swear that's not me turning around. We have to do something with that. It has to evolve with the air conditioning. Hey, there is something that's over here. We can pull it over. Just do it like what we did with the first duck in the last part. There it goes! We did it! Oh, it's so weird being on the solid ground again. Achievement. Weren't you scared being stuck up there like that? Birds aren't really scared of stuff like that. Dad says that flying is in our feathers. Speaking of your dad, we should get back to him for show and tell. I can tell him all about flying. Do you think he saw me in the air? I went so high up that he must have. Let's go and then you can ask him. Okay. All right, so we got every single duck. Oh, that last duck was so hard, bro. Whee! Okay. Okay. Esther, seriously? And then I know a shortcut that I've already unblocked. So I already know a shortcut that I've already went and unblocked off screen. So here we go. Crawl through here, squiggle in through, and then we go back to the dad. Okay. He's right over here. Wait, no. No, he's not. Okay, I got a shiny. The dad should be over here. First, let's dig in this trash real quick. Let's dig in the trash real quick. Hey, look, it's Crow! We'll talk to him in the next part. Just digging. Okay, there we go. Look at all those shinies. What is that, a Rubik's Cube? Pick up. What's this? Oh, it's a Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna keep it. All right. I'm carrying a Rubik's Cube. I'm carrying a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so... Oh, that's the statue that's over here. But now we return to the dad. Hello, Dad! Hello! We're gonna drop that. 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's all of them! What a relief! I was starting to get a little panicky. Oh, the little effects. We were fine, Dad. I was the most fine. You were not. Not too. Nuh-uh. Children, please. You were all exactly the same amount of fine. It was nice to meet you all. Oh, children. Have you thanked the kind kitty for all their help? Thank you! You're welcome. Not you! We're talking to the kitty! Thank you, kitty! We love you, kitty! Dad! You have to say it too! Ah, quite right. Thank you, kitty. Please take this as a reward for everything you've done. Woo! We got a hat. My honorary duck hat, and it makes me feel like part of the family. It'll remind you that you're always part of the duck family. Dad, is it time for show and tell? Absolutely. Let's do it over the pond. Run! Bye-bye, kitty. Toodle-doo. Enjoy your hat. My show and tell is going to be the best. We're saying goodbye to the kitty. It's used for information. Uh-oh, it's a little... Stay safe, ducklings. Have a good show and tell. Alrighty, we're gonna talk to Crow real quick, and then we're gonna end it off here. Ah! Stop! Okay, so where is Crow at? Because he was over here. There he is. Hey, Crow, what you doing? Kitty, you look like the kind of cat who enjoys a stylish accessory or two. Thank you for nosing. Is this a trap? Is this a trap? Definitely not. Okay. Well, if that's all, I guess I'll see you around. Unrelatedly, have you heard about my new and glorious business venture? I'm sorry, here's that reminded me of a character I play as on another game all the time. It's called Shinies for Hats. You're selling hats now? Absolutely not. But if it's literally called Shinies for Hats... Aha! That's the clever part. I'm not selling hats. I'm selling access to hats. You see, the hats live in these little pod machines. And you, a helpless kitty, who do not have the secret wisdom needed to use the machines. Let me guess, you do? But of course. Only I, Crow, can perform the ancient Crow ritual of inserting a token and turning a knob. That doesn't sound so difficult. Which brings us to business. My position as it follows. 5 lets you hire 1 Crow, that's me, to retrieve 1 hat. So you are selling hats? No, I'm a facilitator operating within a gig economy framework. With a business called Shinies for Hats? Yes, but only because Shinies for access to crows who have access to hats tested poorly with crow customers. And to use this business, I get 5 and get 1 hat. You're missing the subtle economic genius in my idea. I am the hat gatekeeper. ... Look, do you want a hat or not? I'm good, thanks. Alright, so we're gonna see. So in the next part, we're gonna probably go to talk to Crow again. And so yeah. Okay, people. Thank you for watching another beautiful video. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more of my content, such as Roblox and console games. I hope you have an amazing day or night, depending on where you live, and I will see you people later. Bye! 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 So sorry about that. Alright, anyways,